Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Sadia. I'm back with another tutorial. One of the questions that I'm often asked is, can you get a fabulous look just with neutral eyeshadow? Yes, you can. Watch me work. So I already did a skin prep. Foundation is laid. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow. For me personally, I love to start in the crease of my eyes because I conceal the hood as well as start with a beautiful blend in my crease. The same browns that I'm using on my crease area, I am going under my waterline. I love to use different brushes because different brushes help me to achieve different effects with my eyeshadow. So you all will see me use a variety of brushes. Y'all, I could do my makeup with my hands as far as my foundation, but honey, with my eyes, I will spend a pretty penny on a nice brush. Now this is just a clean blending brush just to soften out those lines. We don't want to tell people where we've been. We just want them to appreciate the beautiful, beautiful smoke in our eyes. Y'all, I have really been digging using concealer as my primer. Because have you noticed like some primers, they are like sticky and sometimes patch up your eyeshadow, and I just find that now that I'm really loving the concealer on my eyelids. So right what you see me doing now is me using 3 different golds on my eyelid, and when I started on the outer part of my eye, I used like a rosy gold. You know what? When I tell you these colors are so beautiful, I wish the camera could capture the beauty in it. But y'all, these colors blended together is bomb. So now just working on my inner corner, I needed a more precise brush. This is like a flat synthetic brush, and it just helps because I didn't want it to mess up my crease line. So it's more it's keeping that shadow more concentrated. Now I am doing, now mind you, this video is sped up, but I am doing like gentle pats as far as this color because I don't want to ruin the foundation that I've already done. And the powder that's underneath my eyes, it will catch any of the eyeshadow that falls out. So once I'm done doing eyeshadow, I could just use my brush and just brush off, the remainder shadow that may fall on my face. But I am applying the shadow so delicately. Again, with that clean brush, I'm just lightly touching those shadows because I want them to kind of marry together. I don't want them to be all muddied up. I want to be able to, when you look at that eye, be able to see each gold, each layer of gold. Right now, I am kind of contouring around my lash line because when I do my eyeliner, I don't know if I'm gonna go all the way in with my black liner. Here we go with that handy dandy felt tip pen by KOALD to do my cat eyeliner. You guys, now I know I'm pretty shy about doing my lashes on here. I may have to cut and come back when I'm done with my liner because I feel like I just cut y'all completely out the shot. I get so selfish. I get selfish in there and I'm staring at me that I don't even realize you all can't see me. So I'm taking this liner and just going to about the center part of my eye, because I want this look to actually be really like cat eye. I just made that word up, cat eye. So I'm just using a mascara just to clean out the extra shadow that may have fell on my lashes, as well as being able to hold up the false lashes I will put on. Ow. Look, you put some lashes on a girl, she thinks she all that. Y'all know how I get. Now I am going to use I don't have brow dip. No, I have brow dip. That's a lie. This is my eyeshadow from my Morphe palette, and I'm just using like a deeper brown at the tail end of my brow. And then the lighter brown I'm using at the base of my brow. There are no rules to makeup, only guidelines. You can go and spend your money on brow powder if you want to, or you better get with it like me and just use your eyeshadow palette. I'm sure you have one. How? Y'all, those edges. All right, we're going to focus on the lip. I am using KOALD Cosmetics Bordeaux. This is a gel liner that is waterproof. And this is actually, you can find this on SadiaTheNUA.com. This is actually my liner that I love. And my color, infrared, and KOALD Cosmetics. Well, at KOALD Cosmetics, the color is infrared. Now, if anybody knows me, when it comes to business photos or events, this is my color. This is my color. I love red. I feel like red is beautiful, but it is powerful and strong. And I just cheated, y'all. Y'all see me put my little mole up there. Y'all gonna see all my secrets. So one of the golds that I used in my eyes, I'm just putting in the center of my lip, because I just wanted to give this lip a little something, something. Y'all. Here we go. Ponytails up. Again, dusting off that powder that may have any eyeshadow fallout. And I love this all-nighter spray. It just brings everything together, the powders and the creams. Now you tell me, do you think neutral colors can be fabulous? I sure do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every like, share, and comment. Please continue to support this channel, and I will continue to bring you great content. All right, diamonds. Bye.